Nĩ ciĩkanĩrĩire ngirimiti kĩhĩri cia kũrutithania wĩra na kũnyitanĩra maũndũ-inĩ megiĩ wonjoria. Igongona rĩu rĩtarebetwo nĩ President William Ruto ũrĩa ũnyitĩte ũgeni mũrunawe wa Mozambique Daniel Chapo.
We reaffirmed our commitment to working together as well as with regional and international partners to enhance efforts aimed at preventing and combating terrorism. We also recognize the potential of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area and the tripartite free trade agreement in advancing our shared development priorities under the Africa Union Agenda 2063, strengthening regional integration and promoting inclusive economic growth.
We think that Kenya is a sister country, and this gas can also be exported from Mozambique to Kenya, and bringing advantage for our sister country and the people of Kenya. So we see Mozambique, going straight to your question from the press, we see Mozambique as an alternative, yes, for gas at a global level, but also for the continent, the African continent, and especially for our sister countries, for the development of our economies and have better life conditions for our people.